Hi everyone! I hope you had a chance to eat some breakfast and maybe get some wiggles out with our optional Adventure to Fitness PE activity. And now, just like at Granite, it is time for calendar. Did you guys say that? I hope so. You guys are so smart. You know exactly what to do next. Okay, so for calendar, we are going to talk about our day of the week, our date, and our pattern. So, you guys get your calendar detective thinking hats on because the way we figure out our day, our date, and our pattern is we look at what was before to find out what comes next. Okay, so will you guys say our days of the week with me? There's Sunday and there's Monday. Sure. There's Tuesday and there's, what's that one? Wednesday. That sounds familiar. Then there's Thursday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, what comes next? Think it in your head. Say it out loud. Point to it on the screen. On the count of 3. Ready? 1. Let's say it in a sentence. Or think it. 1. Oh! At calendar, we have okay, so the challenges of homeschool. All right, so today is Wednesday. Point to the W, think of what it says. Tommy, I need you to have a quiet mouth. If you want to participate in our calendar, you need to have a quiet mouth. Do you want to come sit up here? Okay, come sit up here, but you have to be quiet. Today is Wednesday. All right, guys. I'm not editing that out because I've already made this video like 3 times. I tried to bribe my son with an Oreo to stay in the other room. It didn't work. So he's going to participate in calendar with us. All right, Tommy, can you say today is Wednesday on the count of 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. This might be a shorter calendar than I thought. Okay, let's talk about our date. So, remember, the way we look at what today is, we look at what was before to figure out what comes next. Okay, so can you guys say this with me? We have 22, 23, 24, 20. Think it in your head. Say it out loud. Did you guys say 25? If you did, give yourselves a pat on the back. You are right. Today is the number 25 or 25th. Okay, now let's look at our pattern. So we know the number's 25. Let's look at our shape. What shape is going to be next? Let's say our shape pattern together. Do you remember what this shape is called? Think, what sounds familiar? A cylinder, square, triangle, maybe sphere? It's a sphere. That sounds right. Remember? A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape. This is a sphere. You guys say that? Point to it. Think it in your head. Count of 3. Again. It's a ball. 1, 2, 3. Sphere. This cup or mug is a cylinder. Okay, so which one's a sphere? Can you point to it? Is it that one? Is it that one? This one? This one? This is a sphere. Okay, we're ready to say our shape pattern. Ready? Sphere, 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 sphere. So our date is going to be, our pattern is going to be a 25, a sphere, and let's figure out our color. Remember, this is going to be a little bit tricky. So before we have, what color is this? Tommy, can you say what color this is? No. You guys help him? What color is this? Green. This is the color green. So let's say our pattern with our color. Ready? Green, 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 blue stripe. That's our clue. So everyone at home, touch your head if you think it's going to be blue. I do. So our number 25 sphere is going to be blue. Okay, now we get to figure out what the size is. That's right. That is blue. Good job. Okay, so we have, say it with me together. Say it, look at it, touch it on your screen. Small.
It's this red.
It is. Follow along. Can you say this with me? Small, medium, large. You guys thinking, saying small?
Big.
So.
Small. I said that.
We ready to turn around and see if you guys are right?
Yeah.
Remember, we think it's the number 25, a sphere. We think it's going to be blue because of our blue stripe. And we think it's going to be small because that's our pattern. Small, medium, large, small. Ready to turn around on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Were you guys right? Woo! Give yourselves a big pat on the back because you guys are good calendar detectives. You're so smart. So now our calendar is all finished. Bye.